we are going to learn vowel E, phonics of E. 3-letter words with the help of E. Okay, let's start. What is the sound of E? Eh. Sound of E. Sound of E is eh, eh. So start. G, E, T. G, eh, T, get. G, eh, T, get. P, eh, T, pet. P, eh, T, pet. P-E-T, pet. L-E-T, let. L-E-T, let. L-E-T, let. What is the sound of W? V. V-E-T, wet. W-E-T. W-E-T, wet. W-E-T, wet. Okay. For the fed. For the fed. F-E-D, fed. B the bed. B-E-D. The bed. Repeat after me. The bed. The lead. L-E-D, lead. The lead. The red. R-E-D, red. The red. Practice. The red. The red. W. The wet. The wet. The wet. Look at the board. Look at the board. Leg. 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 Beg. 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 Keg. 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 G. P, G, peg. P, G, peg. P, G, peg. Okay? P, G, peg. So, G, leg. B, G, beg. K, G, keg. K, G, keg. P, G, peg. D, no, then. Repeat. D, no, then. D, no, then. P, no, pen. P, no, pen. P, no, pen. M, no, men. M, no, men. Okay. H, no, hen. H, no, hen. H, no, hen. T, T này. T, no, ten. T, no, ten. T, no, ten. These are 3-letter words with the help of E. So एक बार फिर से करते हैं. G, get. P, pet. L, let. W, wet. F, fed. B, bed. L, lead. R, red. V, wed. L, leg. B e g beg, k e g keg, p e g peg, d d e n den, p e n pen, m e n men, h e n hen, t e n ten. Okay, so these are 3-letter words with the help of E. In the next video, we will discuss vowel O. Till then, bye-bye.